Pandemic, some are turning to an unusual source to help their staff. KCTV5's Betsy Webster shows us why you might see a robot bringing your food the next time you dine out.
Knock knock. Here comes a robot.
Meet Totoro. He's been helping deliver food at Sayachi Sushi in Brookside since January. With 4 trays, he can carry much more than a human food runner.
But especially when we're really busy or when we have a very large table, it helps.
Your meal has been prepared at a rapid speed.
It's the voice of the elevator in Japan.
I'm totally obsessed with him. I wish I had a Totoro at home.
Servers are usually just steps behind for the human touch expected of quality service.
Of course, you're going to have those 2 pieces of Totoro at the end.
The restaurant's co-owner says they got Totoro to help out when they had trouble hiring, but he's actually become a bit of a celebrity.
Sometimes people call and ask if is the robot working today, and we're like, well, robot doesn't have a day off, so. And from, the employer perspective, I mean, that's the best thing, no drama, no sick days.
She says he cost the equivalent of 6 months' pay for a server. He plays a little melody while en route, which is cute, but also acts as a warning to servers to stand clear.
Now, if you get into Totoro's way, he can tell, his sensors know, and he'll try to get around you. But if you get really, really stubborn and you really block his path, he'll eventually let you know with a message.
First, gently.
Honey, excuse me. I have to go there.
Then, pleading.
Don't block my way, please. I have to work. Otherwise, I'll be fired.
Oh, I'm sorry, Totoro. I don't mean to get you fired. Go ahead.
He just has this really delightful quality. He's very human-like, but a lot nicer than some humans that I've met.
The dots on the ceiling, each with a different design, correspond to a table number for Totoro's upward-facing camera to read. He even has a slower, steady setting for ramen orders.
I mean, I think it spilled less ramen on itself than I have on me.
Then he speeds up on his way back to the kitchen. In Kansas City, Betsy Webster,
I am back.
KCTV5 News.
Oh, Betsy, don't get Totoro fired. We don't want to do that. Well,